Alright, so this is another cool use case of Gemini. This is the original photo and this is the file name that I got from this website. So it's kind of some random name and some random letters, numbers, etc. But then this is the version that has been renamed by Gemini AI. So Gemini can see the scene or the content in the picture and can describe the images and provide a name that is going to be more descriptive, more SEO friendly. And this is very useful if you want to make the image to be easily discoverable on the internet. You want to make sure that it is as descriptive as possible. And this is not like you are uploading the image to Gemini and then ask it to provide some file name and then you have to rename it manually. No, we can somewhat automate the process. So we are going to create a tool that look like this. So we can upload images and then Gemini will just automatically rename the images based on the content in the picture. So let me show you how you can create this app in Gemini AI. Let me just open Gemini. And of course, you can use the mobile app version of Gemini on your phone. Now, after that, you can copy this prompt. You can copy this from the description down below. And let me just put that here. So you can click Tools, click Canvas, and for the variant, I highly recommend using the Pro version because that is the best model or the best variant when it comes to coding, because after all, it is an app, it is a web-based app, so it's going to do some coding. It might take about 1 or maybe 2 minutes to create the whole thing. Now, basically what's going to happen right now is Gemini is going to use its built-in API. So within this app, within the Canvas area, there is another Gemini model that can be used for all sort of things. You can chat with it, you can also analyze images and some other cool things. I actually have made some videos on how you can get the most of Gemini Canvas, and this is just one of them. So just wait until it finishes and then you can start using the app. Now, even though you might be using the same prompt, the UI could be a bit different, and sometimes Gemini will actually add some tiny extra features that makes the app even more useful or easier to use. Okay, so just wait until finish and later you can start using it to rename image files in particular. And the prompt is made so Gemini will maintain the original file format and also it will maintain the quality of the image. And this is actually very different than ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, it will usually just compress the images, which is not good, but in Gemini we can tell it to not do that, so it's going to maintain the highest possible quality. All right, right here I have multiple images then that I'm going to upload right away. So okay, just drag and drop and just wait for those images to be analyzed by the AI model. It is using Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is a little bit older than the current Gemini 3 when I'm recording this video, but the model is more than capable of renaming certain image files. And there it goes. So as you can see, we got this first result of a cat. This is the original file name, and then this is the descriptive name that I got from Gemini. So as you can see, it is just running automatically. You don't have to do anything, and after that you can download the image. I'm going to click this download button. And there it goes. So the file size is 10 megabytes, and that is indeed the size of the actual image file. So let me give you the screenshot. So this is the cat photo. It is 10 megabytes, and this is the version that has been renamed by Gemini, still 10 megabytes. So it is not compressing the image, which is very good. You want to maintain the best quality and you don't want to lose some details from the picture. So you can reuse this tool multiple times. You can refresh the page and then come back later and then continue doing the work. And you can also share the app. Just click this share button, click share, and then you will get the link that you can share for your organization or perhaps your group project. This is just very, very useful. So that's basically how you can generate a really cool, very useful AI image renamer using Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.